President Joe Biden has officially designated the bald eagle as the national bird of the United States. The House of Representatives passed the bill on December 16th, and the Senate had unanimously approved it in July. Biden signed the bill into law on Tuesday, making the bald eagle's status official. The bird, which has symbolized the U.S. for over 240 years, now joins other national symbols, like the American bison, rose, and oak tree. The bald eagle is also a prominent feature on the Great Seal, which appears on official U.S. items such as the presidential flag and government documents.